Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open up and see what's inside. A fast battery charger, batteries included. I mean, this is for my Insta360 or something. Man, it's a plain box. So we have some stickers, fast charging box, USB-C to C. And then we have the box itself. So just a typical plastic box. It's not as nice as the AirPods. The USB-C plug here. And then up here, yeah, the 2 slots for 2 batteries, and then some slots here for micro SD card. And it's not doing okay. I don't have the batteries with me to test right now, but should be okay. So there you have it. That is the fast charging box for the Insta360 X3. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you're interested in the item, the link will be in the description below. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.